preparing for competitions, Vedic mathematics is really going to help you. The competitions may be for getting into the good course or getting into jobs or maybe getting scholarships. Vedic mathematics will help you solve difficult problems, huge sums, immediately. Even though you understand the problem fully well and you know how to do it, but you are not able to speed up. But when you have the knowledge of Vedic mathematics and you recognize the pattern, you will be able to do it faster than the calculators. Let us see one of that example right now.
I saw this sum in one of the competitive examinations. How much time do you think it will take to solve? I'm sure few minutes. And time is a real constraint in examinations. You will have to find the square root of all these three numbers and then you have to add them all up to find the right option, whether it is A, B, C or D. But let's learn to do it in a fraction of a minute. Now just observe the pattern. 11 square. 11 has two ones. 11 square is equal to 1, 2, 1. 121. So just let's take 111 and square of 111 is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. That means the number of ones. We go to number of ones 1, 2, 3 and then reverse it back to 1. Just observe the pattern. Now when we have 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 1 square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? When we have 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1 square will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 4, 3, 2, 1. When we have 6 ones, look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when we have 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones and square of that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you have understood the pattern and it will go on till we have 9 ones. Now let's see. Let's go back to the problem again. So now let's see the problem again. Just observe this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means the under root this number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And under root of this second number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and under root of the third number would be 1, 2, 3 and what will be the sum of all these numbers? 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. And which is the right option? This is the right option. So how easy it is. Once you have recognized the pattern, and Vedic mathematics helps us to do that.
But the real beauty and effectiveness of Vedic mathematics cannot be appreciated without practicing the Vedic sutras. It is perhaps the most refined, ancient and efficient mathematical system possible. It will also increase your creativity and intelligence. So start learning it.